In a bright and cheerful neighborhood lived Rex, a dog so good. Big and brave, he stood so tall, with little Bolita who chase and crawl. Rex and Bolita, the perfect pair. One is strong, the other full of care. Jumping and playing every day, their friendship shines in every way. Bolita followed Rex all around, never stopped, not even when down. When it rained, Rex was the shield, smiling and strong, her love was revealed. Rex and Bolita, the perfect pair. One is strong, the other full of care. Jumping and playing every day, their friendship shines in every way. One day a kite got stuck so high in a tree up in the sky. Bolita jumped with determination and saved the day with admiration. The children clapped, full of delight. Bolita meowed with all his might. I knew that we could do it all. Rex wagged his tail, feeling tall. Rex and Bolita, what a team, always together, living the dream. A dog, a cat, with hearts so wide, sing this song with love and pride.
If you liked it, give it a like, share it, and follow us on our channel.